Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn how to install WampServer and Sublime Text 3 into your system. Now this WampServer is actually where we'll be hosting all our sites, all the locally made sites or whatever, and it will also help us to maintain our SQL database. So let's start off. So first of all, as you saw, we just type WAMP 64-bit, or rather you can also type just WAMP in Google. You'll get this link. Sorry. Just follow this link. Here you have the option to download 64-bit as well as 32-bit installation software. So as because my system is 64-bit, I would obviously click 64-bit. You go to download directly. You click on this download WampServer x64.exe, which is a 431.7 MB file. Now as because this file is already installed in my system, so I won't download it again. But when you click on it, you'll see the download would begin automatically. So I'll just cancel it because I have it installed as I already told. For some of you, after you install, there might be an error popping up which will ask you for a few DLL files or some redistributable Visual C++ files. Now just in case you do not have that in your system, it will ask for that. So as you saw what I did, just go back to this website, into the downloads section, click on this. You see this particular link, http www.microsoft.com enus download. So just click on this link and it will redirect you to this website. So what you'll do is just click this download button and it will download all the and yeah, you can select 64-bit or whatever as per your requirement of the system. WAMP64.exe, just double click to run it. English, accept the agreement, next, install. The setup will take a little time to install, so you can just hold on. And meanwhile, what we will do is we will just go to this Sublime Text 3. Click on this download option. I have a 64-bit system. I'll click on Windows 64. Okay, just 8.5 MB. Although I have it, let's just save it. Yes. So we have the Sublime Text setup. I can just delete these two. Never mind. So I have my Sublime Text setup. Where it's gone? Yeah. Just double click it. Click on next. Okay, we want the default location. Click on next, and just install it. It won't take much time. Click on finish. Now let us check if Sublime Text was installed and check. Yeah, there you go, Sublime Text 3. Just open it. So it's working. So I can just exit. So we see that Sublime Text is now working. Now just for your simplicity, you can always create a shortcut to your Sublime Text in your desktop. So what we do is just open the file location and send it to desktop. So we have a shortcut in our desktop now, so you can clearly see it over here. Yeah, so Sublime Text is installed and is running well and good. Now even WampServer 64, it's about to finish installation, so let's just wait for some time. Yeah, I don't want to use iExplore, rather I will use Mozilla or maybe Chrome, whatever. You can also choose Internet Explorer if you are okay working with it, and you can also choose Chrome. Rather, I would say you can choose any browser that you feel comfortable with. It will be used as a text editor. Okay, let's just select it. Notepad.exe, it's fine, no problems. Okay, please read the, okay, never mind. So yeah, after installing WampServer 3, the default username is root. You might keep a note of this one because you'll be requiring this every time that you start your PHP MyAdmin. Other than this, yeah, and yes, there is no password, so you can always leave the password field blank that I'll be showing you. Nothing else, no, nothing else, just finish it. Let's refresh our system once and start WampServer. The status as of now is red. Probably it's starting up. Yeah, now it's turned to orange. One of the services is running, and now it's green. This green indicates that your WAMP server has successfully started up and you are ready to use localhost PHP myadmin. Now, in some of your systems, it might show up an error asking you to put the few DLL files. Now, what you can do is one of the DLL files is probably msvcr 110.dll. Yeah, so you can just Google it out and fix the. You can download the DLL files and just move it to the system path. Nothing else. You can always fix it up. But there was no error in my system, so I'll just show you how to start off with localhost PHP myadmin. So I open up Google Chrome. I'll type in. Yeah. So this is a screen that you'll see right in front of you. The username is root and the password will be blank. Just click on go. So there you go. This is your starting PHP myadmin, where you can see all your databases. If you have, when you'll be creating the databases, you can see all of them over here, and you can perform all your SQL operations, etc. So that is all for this video. Thank you.